Okay, bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Gulu, gulu. Bye, bye. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And I'm just at this moment in the mood of doing an outfit of the day. And I usually do not have chance to wear dress when I work. And now I'm on now I'm on summer break. I can wear this dress. Why do I not have the chance? It's because first, the shorter dress is just not very convenient as a teacher. You need to move, and sometimes the students sit down and lie on the floor, so it's just not so comfortable and convenient. And most importantly, because classroom has air conditioning, so it's very cold. It's always too cold to wear dress. Now, summer break, I have fresh summer air and it's hot or it's cool. It's just natural and I feel so good. So let's see an outfit of the day with the dress. So silly. Here it is. And I went to the museum, and sometimes museum is cool, so I have this top, but it's so very comfortable. So very comfortable. Okay, I raise it up a little bit. Okay, this should be good. You can see the whole body. And there is pocket, and it's so good that there is pocket. The best thing is the pocket. That's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Gulu, gulu. Bye, bye. And the same evening, I went to San Francisco, and it's so very cold. I have to wear everything on. And I think I developed or I created a new style, San Francisco style for summer. You wear your dress, pretty dress, but you have to wear pants. You have to wear jackets and double jackets. So silly. That's San Francisco.